Are you drowning in admin tasks? It's time to take back control with Capsule CRM. Transform your chaos into clarity by instantly importing your contact lists. Capsule ensures all your customer interactions are in one accessible place. With Capsule, boost productivity by creating tasks directly from Gmail or inside the app. Stay focused, not overwhelmed. Imagine having a full view of every customer, with automatic data updates from your essential tools. Capsule connects your email, accounting, and marketing for seamless communication. Customize your sales process and track your opportunities effortlessly. Capsule reminds you to follow up, ensuring you never miss a beat. Elevate your customer service with tailored solutions. Personalized interactions lead to trust, loyalty, and repeat business. Networking becomes easy with Capsule. Store contacts, set reminders, and connect social media profiles for meaningful connections. No matter how fast you grow, Capsule adapts to your needs. Our dedicated support team is with you at every step. Don't let manual processes hold you back. Unlock your potential with Capsule CRM. Act now. Visit our website and experience the difference.